What's happening, fam? So we finally made it down here. The hike was pretty interesting. It was a serious hike. I mean, very interesting. It was a real deal. Had to use the ropes and everything. So I don't know if you can see behind me. That's the jungle I came out of. I just came out of that jungle right there. But look what I walked into. Oh my goodness! Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Oh wow! It's just so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, and it goes all the way down in there. So definitely worth the hike. Oh my goodness! I'm enjoying the beauty right now because I don't want to think about how to get back up this mountain through this jungle. So I'm enjoying it. I hope you enjoy it too. Hola, ¿qué tal, familia? I truly hope you enjoyed the video of me trekking through the Colombian mountains. That place is called 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 outside of Medellin. It was beautiful, as you can see. It was a great trek going through the jungles. We needed the ropes. We needed everything because it was wet conditions. It wasn't particularly dangerous throughout the entire trek, but as we got closer to the stream and the ledge of where the stream began and started to drop down, then it got a little dangerous, and we needed to take more precautions and make sure that we had a good grip on everything. That's another issue, is that you see a lot of vines hanging and roots. Those are not good to grab because you think it's stable and you go to grab one and pop, it'll pop, and if you have all your weight on it, you're gone. So you have to be careful, but there are some places out there that are still pristine, crystalline waters, and I mean those waters were 100% pure. The people who live in that area drink from that water. I drank from the water all weekend. Oh, it was so beautiful. It was so refreshing. And I just wanted to take you guys along and see something that was so beautiful, untouched by man. Well, not untouched, but just not trampled around as much as the rest of the world. And there still are some places out there where you can just go and enjoy and be out there without a mask and enjoy nature and true health and wellness. And I just want to thank you for spending your time with me, as you could have spent it anywhere, but you chose to watch my video, and I truly appreciate it. If you would like and subscribe, I would love that. But most of all, I would really love if you would comment. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know what you want to see next. Let's just connect so we can talk. That's what I really love. So until next time, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Muchas gracias por todo, por tu tiempo, por tu amor y bendiciones. Truly.